everybody, welcome to our Kawaii. Today we're gonna do the box and we're gonna open it. Let's see what's inside. What do you think is inside of it? Snacks or toys? I think it might be little Kuma or some real stuff. Let's look inside. Now, what do you think this would be? Yes, Valentina, you are right. There are a lot of kawaii snacks, and I think there's a Hello Kitty mermaid. But last time you got the other mermaid, so I guess. Oh, and here are the people who already opened theirs. There's these little girls, and
thank you so much, Kawaii Box, for sending us this for free to review. If you guys want to win your own Kawaii Box, then make sure you watch until the end because we're going to be doing a giveaway.
Now I'm going to open this. Wow! I don't really like these, but they're just little snowflakes and stuff like that. Little mochi whale. This looks like mochi. What do you think this looks like? A doll. A doll whale. I think it looks like a little whale who's in a family.
Kawaii Box is a monthly subscription box that ships worldwide, and you can get a box of cute things every month. I think that this makes a great gift idea for kids and adults who like cute things.
This is like the big sister. This is like a baby sister. No, it's a baby boy sister. It's a little sister. Look, it has a shell right there. There's a little squishy squish squash. Now this pen shouldn't be for us because there's only one pen and we might fight over it. So it should be for Mommy. This pen has a beautiful heart. Oops. What? Want you? It wants us. And now she will open it and show us what it looks like. And this has all different kinds of things. They're all so cute. Can I see? Stop. Look. And here's the best part. Pencils. I love pencils. Pencils! And I like to draw a lot. Now let's see what type of pencils there are in this pencil box. So, pink ones, like, they're all so pretty. Next, we have the stickers. And then there's these little big, nice stickers. And these little you could all use these. Oh, can I buy ice cream? Yes. Which one would you like? I would like all these ice creams you have. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Now let's see if they can fit in this thing they gave to me. My favorite one is this. I like these little squishies.
Did you see they're magnetic?
No. Oh, the sides stick together like they're best friends. Check the link below if you want to win your own Kawaii Box. But so far, this candy was a little bit too sweet for me. Thank you, Kawaii Box, for sending us for free. Bye. Thanks for watching.
You want a
I'm
pencil
have
too?
This.
Okay.
Oh, I really want that too.
Put your hand on this one. Okay, look. There. Okay, let me turn
Yeah,
off my
kawaii box.
Okay, now you guys.
I need to go a little bit closer. Kawaii box. Hello everybody, today. Stop!